Hey, good morning and happy Aloha Friday. A lot going on this week, even though it's a short week. We made it through Labor Day and now we're well in, hitting September. So, a few things that are coming up. So, first of all, the Greenspace back behind the school, which was established in 2016, is a real important part of our school climate and culture. Um, Basically, it's an area we've worked hard to restore back to a Indiana native wildflower area. And we work closely with several local organizations like Johnson County Native Plant Partnership, as well as some other groups. And it's a great opportunity for our students to really work closely with those groups and see what conservation really looks like. And then they also get to use that quite a bit during the school day, and even like after lunch, they can go out there and take a look at that area as well. And it's just a really nice area. But it does take some maintenance, and so we do have a day coming up in which we're going to need some parent volunteers to help out with that. And so that's currently scheduled for October 6th is when we would like to do that. So if that's something that you would be interested in helping us with, please just contact me and let me know. It's kind of funny because when I talk to the kids about it and when we make seed bombs and things like that, I talk about how when we put stuff out there, when we put seeds out there, it's a year to sleep, a year to creep, and then a year to leap. And I liken it to middle school. It takes 3 years to really, mature a little bit here in middle school. And we talk about how they were like when they were sixth graders and how they are now. And so it's just a really nice analogy. Some other things that are, of course, coming up is the zoo field trip is coming up on September 25th. Many of you have contacted me about being a chaperone, and we still need a few more chaperones to help us with that. Mr. Clady, I think, is going to be sending out a quick email about that. And then I think the permission slips are coming out today, but we're going to be collecting those all next week. If you need assistance with that, please just let us know. You can direct that to me or Mr. Clady, and we'll certainly take care of that. Also, be looking for information about parent conferences. Those are going to be coming up quick towards the end of September, and it's one of those things that can easily get past you, so be looking for that. As far as what's happening in science and biology, in science, we really just finished up data analysis and measurement, and then we're doing some quick evidence-based conclusion work in science as well as in other classes, how to write a good response using evidence to support your claim. We'll probably do the test on that probably either Wednesday or Thursday of next week, and then we move into atoms, molecular structure, and so on. In biology, we're still in macromolecules. We've gone through now, carbohydrates, proteins. We're doing some lipids work today. That will probably be able to be finished up either towards the late of next week, or it might even bump into that week of September 15th, September 16th might be where that ends up. But we're going to kind of wait and see how that goes. So thank you again so much for everything you do as parents and caregivers that support the learning that is happening in our classes. We really appreciate it. Thank you so much.